Here the quadratic equations can be represented with the general formula bx square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now variables r is 2, that means two values of x can be calculated, and these values can be calculated by three methods. One is factorization method, second is by completing the square method, third by Sridhar Acharya formula. Children, you will be glad to know that in your CBSE course, completing the square method has been deleted. So you will be calculating two values of x by factorization method and by Sridhar Acharya formula. Let's first discuss factorization method. When you are following this method, first of all you look for the coefficient of x square. If your coefficient of x square is 1, then you can start with the factorization of this 10. If your coefficient of x square is not 1, then you have to multiply this with the last number and then you can start multiplication. So let's just see the first example. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. So I will directly take this minus 10 and I will factorize it. Now 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Now here 10 is having minus sign. So which term to give minus sign? This sign will decided by this term. Here it is minus 3. So to obtain minus 3, I have to give minus 5. I have to give minus sign to 5 and plus to this 2. So I can write it as now first term as it is, last term as it is, and minus 3x can be replaced with minus 5x and plus 2x. Now out of these two I can take x common. So this is x minus 5. Out of these two I can take plus 2 common. So this is again x minus 5. Now to check, you have to see these two brackets. If these two brackets are exactly same, that means you are going in the right direction. If there is any change in sign, that means you have to check your previous step. Now here I can take x minus 5 common and here I can write x plus 2 in other bracket. Everywhere it is equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. Now after this I can say either this x minus 5 equal to 0 or this x plus 2 is equal to 0. This will give me x equal to 5 or this will give me x equal to minus 2. Now you see the second example. As I told you, whenever you are going with factorization method, always see whether coefficient of x square is 1 or not. If it is 1, then straight away start with the factorization. But if it is not 1, then you write down 3 into 2 over here. Multiply these two terms and then you see how I can get minus 5 by adding them. So minus 5 can be obtained by giving this minus sign and by giving this minus sign. So I can write the first term and the last term as it is, and minus 5x can be replaced with these two terms. That means minus 3x minus 2x. Now out of these two I can take 3x common. 3 and x I have taken out, so here it is only x. I am left with x minus this term has come out, so nothing is remaining, that means 1. Now again I can take minus 2 common from here, x, and then I have taken minus sign outside, so this sign will be converted into minus now. So sorry, this minus 2 has come out, so this will be x plus has converted into minus. Since 2 has come out, so this will be 1. Now you see these two brackets are same. So I can write it as x minus 1 and 3x minus 2. Everywhere equal to sign. Now you can write it as either x minus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So I can simply write it as x equal to, take this minus 1 that side. So this is x equal to 1 or 3x equal to, first you take this minus 2 that side. So it will be plus 2 and x equal to 2 by 3. So these are the two possible values of this equation.